Hey everyone, it's LethalLogicaX, and I have another package opening for you today. This package comes to me all the way from Australia, so I have a bit of an interesting story with this package. I met someone on the Reddit who was interested in trading challenge locks, and I was all set to send him a lock until I realized he lived on the opposite side of the world, and the cheapest shipping options available were just way too much. So I canceled on him and told him that I just wasn't going to be able to trade with him. It was just going to cost me too much money. And he said that's totally alright, and he's just going to send me his challenge lock anyway. So here I have it. His name is DoNotDuplicate. I will have a link to his channel in the description below. Please go and check out his channel. He does a lot of really cool locks with crazy keyways, high security stuff, and just all sorts of amazing things. Please go check out his channel in the description below. So let's get this open. Scissors are right here. All right. Oh, it's a package inside of a package. I do love a package inside of a package. The mystery deepens. Alright, inside this one we got a little baggie, and it looks like this is our lock. Excellent. Alright, pinned by DoNotDuplicate. There it is. So I'm not sure if this one has a name or anything. Oh, very cool key though. Oh man. This is a restricted key. Hildebrandt Locksmiths. Master Locksmiths Association, Australia. Very interesting. Okay, let me get all of this packaging out of here. Actually, I am going to do one thing here. We're just going to tuck that inside and get this key out so everyone knows I have not peeked at the key. Oh man, look at that keyway. That is just nasty. Oh my goodness. I don't even know how I'm gonna get a pick in there. Well, let's give it a shot. What's the worst that could happen? Famous last words. All right. Get a nice angle on that. So what are we even working with here? There is a crazy ledge in the way of getting at these pins. God, I'm gonna have to pick it like a dimple lock. All this keyway down here doesn't even mean anything to me. I can just use that for tension, it seems, because I'm not getting a pick anywhere in any of that. And then I honestly feel like a dimple lock is going to serve me pretty well here. If I can get one of my crappy homemade dimple picks in here, that is. Okay, I do kind of feel pins. Need to try and get a good angle on this here. Yeah, my pick like doesn't even fit in here sideways, unfortunately. This other one hooked the opposite direction, I think is a little bit shorter. Oh, and it can also tuck down a little bit, so I think this one might be our go-to here. So, not really feeling any binders yet. That was just really springy. Oh, I think I got a little click on something there. I think that was like the number 5 pin or something. And I think this is 6 pin. I could be wrong. I don't know if Dimple Pick is going to cut it here. I do have a really short like Euro hook from Sparrows, so I might be able to like put this in sideways and flip it around to get at the pins. Oh, I totally forgot to set a timer on this too. I definitely don't want to be here all day, because I'm pretty sure I'm not getting into this, but I do want to give it a good solid attempt. Oh, I gotta click on something and I feel like the core just moved a little bit. Holy cow. I didn't even think I'd make it that far on this. I'm already surprising myself. Okay, that was definitely a click of some sorts. I'm not sure if I just lost whatever pin had me in a false set there. Definitely some little clicks around at the back, pin 5 and 6. It is just so hard to feel what I'm doing in here. Just no matter which direction I move my pick, I'm touching something. And there's some springy bits in here and some firm bits. Yeah, just the Keyway alone makes this a horrendously challenging lock. And then he's put challenge pins in here as well. Ugh. Yeah, I can't really feel like anything in here. There's a bunch of springy pins. There's a bunch of warding everywhere. It's just all warding. Every direction you move the pick, it's just warding. I think I might still be in a little bit of a false set here. But I haven't really felt any counter rotation on anything. Okay, is that a really low cut pin, or is that something binding really hard? Oh, I can't even get my pick under whatever that is back there. Ah, my pick keeps rotating down here and just getting stuck. Oh man. how is this lock even pickable? I don't understand. Oh, by the way, he mentioned that this keyway was actually featured in Lockpicking Lawyer's videos on the nastiest keyways in his collection, and ranked in at number 4. So, yeah, this is a pretty challenging little keyway here. I'm actually rather honored that I get to try something from all the way around the world. I'm not feeling any counter rotation on anything at all. Let's try this really thin pick. It has an extremely high rise, so I'm not too optimistic. But it might be able to get in there at an angle. So far it seems to actually be working. I'm surprised. Yeah, but there's like a low cut pin back there. In like slot 4 or something that I just can't get this under. And nothing else in front of it feels like it's given me any kind of feedback. See if we can wiggle under that pin. No, just can't get it under there. I do have the offset hybrid from Sparrows. We can give that one a shot up in here. Nope. You must have some pretty nasty bidding on this. Alright, one more other pick here. This one's much thinner profile from Sparrows with a bit more of a rise. It's good at getting in tight places, but it can also lift pins. Lift them pretty high up. Okay, I almost feel like that's counter rotation. Maybe on pin 5? No, not getting anything. There's no way we can get an ultra steep hook back there, can we? No, it's just not fitting past anything. I'm at a loss here. I don't know what to do. feel like I just got a bit more core rotation. I don't know, I could just be crazy. I'll have to look at the video. Oh my god! What? No! Oh my god. You're kidding me. Oh my goodness, guys, I did not think I was gonna pick that. Oh, I'm over the moon about this. Oh my goodness. Oh man, that feels good. Whew. Now I got this. Oh man, if I have the right tools to get, I hope I have the right tools to get this. Alright, I always forget to look at the key, so we're just gonna start with that this time. There she is. My goodness. Get a bit of a close-up on that. I had a feeling number 1 was pretty low cut, and we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins, so it was a 6-pinner. Yeah, that is not too bad. Is that a custom cut key? It kind of looks like this first slot, he might have taken a file to it and cut it a bit lower. Yeah, it doesn't have the same finish on that spot as it does all the rest of them. So I think he made his own like zero lift pin or something. Dude, that is just nasty, man. Okay, I need a very, very tiny screwdriver for this. I don't know if I have a very, very tiny screwdriver. Will my normal size one fit? No. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. We're in luck. I found this teeny tiny little screwdriver somewhere. And turns out this one will in fact work. So, we have solved one of the tool requirements. Now I hope I have a follower that fits this thing. Get these screws out of here, and we will make sure we shim it. Do not want to forget that. If this lock comes all the way around the world and then I brick it, I'm going to be very, very upset. I think it's stuck on a pin somewhere. Yeah, it's definitely not all the way through. I do have some more shims. Let me try grabbing a new one. Alright, here we go. That one's getting hung up on a pin even sooner. Oh, there we go. Come on. It really doesn't want to go past whatever pin is there. This one, again, is going to be too small of a follower. Will my pen tube here work? Oh, it might. Oh, it will. If this shim goes in, that is. But the shim is being a real pain in my butt. This darn shim doesn't want to go in. Oh, there we go. It's past whatever pin that was. Are we all the way through now. No, I think it's still caught on a pin. Come on. Oh, is that it? I think that was it. Ooh. Okay, I've definitely wrecked that shim, but we got it in. Okay, there we go. After much struggling, we can finally start getting these pins out. Okay, first glance it looks like he's torpedoed all of them. I'll grab my tweezers here. This is definitely not the best follower, but hey, anything that works. Okay, that kind of looks like a standard pin, but it looks like it has like a chamfer on its leading edge. Ah, there goes a spool in number 2. Very nice spool. Okay, these springs are in my way. Yeah, he definitely does have different springs, because that one in number 1 was shorter. Number 2 was poking out. So we will dump the rest of the springs individually. Oh my goodness. That is a very crazy pin in number 3. It might be deformed a little bit. I'll definitely get a close-up on that in a moment. Yeah, that feels like a much stronger spring. Yep. I felt like one of these pins had a super spring on it for no reason. Yeah, there's a flat end on this side of the follower, but nothing on this end. I'm going to have a really hard time pushing it from the other side, so I'm just going to keep emptying them all from the front. Okay, that looks like another one of those same standard pins for number 4. A little small spring. That's another one of these, I think they call them gin spools? Same with the one in number 3 there that was slightly deformed. Someone might have to correct me on that, where they just spool like a small portion on the one side. Okay, that spring is kind of jammed up in there. Come on, get out of there, spring. Okay, I'm gonna have to leave that spring for now. I will fish him out in just a moment. Oof, okay, nope, I got it. Oh, got some crazy springs in here, man. Yikes. Yeah, another one of those, I'll keep calling them gin spools. I hope that's right. Goodness, look at that spring. No wonder it shot out of there like a bullet. Okay, oh, we're getting this spring out slowly but surely. There it is. Oh. Springs. Yep, there was... Oh, and in number 6 as well. Plural, multiple springs put together. Ooh, you like your super springs. Oh man. So that was a crazy challenging lock, but I feel like I really lucked out. I'm not gonna give you a close-up, I'm just gonna splice some pictures up here. That looks way better than me holding my shaky hands up here. So, yeah, thank you so much for the lock Do Not Duplicate. That was so much fun, and this crazy keyway, man, that was just intense. I've never picked anything like it in my life. So, he had a request that this lock is coming all the way around the world. He wants it to kind of stay in North America, where more people can experience this crazy lock. So I'm going to see about finding someone else to send this lock to. Anyway, that's about all I have for you here. I'm going to hopefully get this back together off camera. It's going to be a nightmare. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers, my new subscribers and my old subscribers alike. All of your reviews and your comments really mean a lot to me, and it's really nice to see all these awesome things that you guys are saying. So leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. And as always, have a good one.